Much for still keeping it here at KUTV Primetime News. We're just from a short break. Let's continue with the broadcast. Poultry farming in Kenya is a huge industry. Chicken are reared for food as well as eggs. In this episode, we feature Japheth Ngaira, a poultry farmer from Syokimau in Machakos County.
A poultry farming business is one of the most lucrative in the country. It has become the finest opportunity of making a good amount of money. Production of eggs and chicken in general is a thriving venture option that proves to be profitable. Japheth Ngaira from Syokimau, Machakos has ventured in the business.
Kazi yangu ni ukulima wa kuku. Hata sasa hivi ukiangalia hapa kuku ndio unaona ziko hapa. Hiyo ndio kazi mimi nafanya nikiwa hapa. Kuna kuku ya mayai, kama hizi ni za mayai. Kuna za nyama. Kwa hiyo vyumba nilikuonyesha na hizi zingine, lakini hizo tushauza. Tunangoja kuleta zingine. So kwa sasa hivi nafanya ni ya mayai.
Japheth started the project 5 years ago. He went to poultry keeping by chance. He's doing quite well and has around 500 chicken. According to him, it's a perfect decision to choose day-old chicks to start your poultry business. A farmer should ensure he has poultry cage accessories like bringers, feeders, perches, crates, and egg incubator.
Niliangalia market. Nikaona kuku ya mayai market iko. Ndio maana nikaamua kuweka kuku ya mayai.
He does things like administering vaccines to cut the cost, but does not hesitate to consult a veterinary specialist in case of a problem. His main product is eggs, which he sells to neighbors, farmers who incubate them, local shops and small restaurants. The eggs go for 300 shillings per tray and gets 11 to 13 trays per day.
Kwa siku hizi kuku ni 400. Natoa tray 11, 13. Na yote huwa inaisha. Kila siku hatupagangi na mayai hapa. Kila siku yote huwa inaenda. Hakunanga tunasema imekosa customer, zote zinatoka zinaisha kila siku.
About hatching of eggs, chicken eggs have an incubation period of about 21 days and can be hatched using either a specialized incubator under carefully monitored conditions or using a broody hen. An incubator has controlled temperature, humidity, and ventilation, and you are the only one responsible for the eggs. Ingoho kuku farmers are experts of incubators.
Utachukua mayai zako sasa utazipanga kwa hii tray. Sasa hapa ndio hatching huwa ina take place. Kwa hii tray. Hii ndio inaitwa hatcher tray. Kwa sababu hii tray sasa ni automatic na ikifika siku ya 18 embryo huwa iko tayari.
The main challenges of the poultry sector include lack of organized market, poor management and diseases. Esther Wafula.